Huh?
Happy birthday.
What do you say?
I don't even know what to say.
There's your weed eater right there. James, it just needs a string.
Ty, what you got? What is it?
We'll back it out. Is the key in it?
No.
No, it's not. Let me go get the keys.
He says, I'm not touching it. Turn around. He won't look at us.
Oh.
Ty got a car.
Really good.
He's going to get in the back seat.
Probably be here more than drive. No, Ty, but I want the grass at the house cut every week.